Gentlemen, my roof panels have just arrived. It's finally stopped raining here. We've had some terrible flooding in the area. The train station is underwater. The town centre is also badly affected. But I am over the moon that these have arrived. I think they're 9 foot by whatever. Anyway, we'll be going on there. But what I'm doing at the moment, I am cutting. I'll show you. I'm cutting some supports out with my old faithful jigsaw. This is a bit I've just cut off the edge, as you can see. It's not perfect, but once a little bit of foam goes on the top there, you can see the top there, I should fit perfectly. Let's just have a look at it. So a second. Yeah, as you can see, spot on. So this, just going to show you how I do it. I can save yourself a bit of money. Now, to buy the expensive foam ones, all you do is you get it on a piece. Once you've done the first one, place it on like so. I've sharpened this up to use an old screwdriver that's no good anymore, and then all you simply do is just score around the edges like so. Once you've scored all the way along it, get your jigsaw and basically just cut it out, and then you end up with pieces like that that are just ready to go. So that's just a quick catch up on my new roof and what I'm doing to save a bit of money, and that's how I go about cutting the supports for the corrugated plastic sheets. If you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.